Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with a new tutorial video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can remove background noise from a audio track. Okay, so to remove noise from audio track you can use Audacity or Adobe Audition, but today I will show you uh, using Adobe Audition. So first of all I am going to open Adobe Audition, and this is Adobe Audition 2020 version. You can use any version of Adobe Audition, the process will be the same. It doesn't matter what version are you using. Okay, so this is the basic interface of Adobe Audition, and now I am going to show how to remove noise from a audio track. Okay, so I have already recorded a sample audio track which has a bit noise. Okay, so first of all let me place it to the uh, Adobe Audition. So I can use open tools from file menu. Okay, this one, or either I can drag it down to the Adobe Audition. Okay, so this is the track which has a bit background noise and we have to remove it. So first let it play and hear how much I mean what is the level of the noise in this audio track has. So let it play. Finally, I got a reply from you. I am very disappointed to hear about my payment status. This is very frustrating for a content creator. I very much hope to have a contract with you. What happened next with my payment is reducing my. Okay, as we hear there is a background noise on this track and we have to remove it. Okay, so first step we have to take a sample of the noise. Suppose this is the place. Before we click the play, you have here the mouse clicking noise and also background noise. So we can select this area as a sample of the noise. Okay, now click on effect and noise reduction and restoration. Okay, from here we can use two way. First of all we have to capture the noise point. Okay, and the noise point capture is done. System capture the noise point. Now we have to remove the noise. Okay, we can use two way. The first one is noise reduction process and the second one is adaptive noise reduction. Okay, uh, someone you prefer to use adaptive noise reduction and someone use noise reduction process. Okay, I like to use first one, noise reduction process, and so let it use it. Okay, after pressing the new box will come for reducing the noise. Okay, the standard value is 50. Noise reduction is 50 and reduced by is 20. It is the standard value we use it. So let it play and check what is the position of the noise now. Finally, I got a reply from you. I am very disappointed to hear about my payment status. This is very frustrating for a content creator. I very much hope to have a contract with you. What happened? I think the noise level has reduced much. uh, let let us press on apply. Okay, let it hear it again after pressing the uh, apply. Finally I got a replay from you. Let me play it again. Finally I got a replay from you. I am very disappointed to hear about my payment status. This is very frustrating for a content creator. I very much. Okay, I think the audio track now has a good standing. Still a little bit noise it has, but we can remove it by repeating the process again. Okay, let us do the process again. Just capture the noise point. Okay, and noise process apply. Okay, now let us hear it again to check the noise level of the track. Finally I got a replay from you. I am very disappointed to hear about my payment status. This is very frustrating for a Finally I got a replay from you. I am very disappointed to hear about my payment status. Okay guys, there are train passing on my sides, so that's why I stop the audio now. So let the train pass, because uh, I can't understand the difference. Okay, uh, how much noise it has. So let it play again. Finally I got a replay from you. I am very disappointed to hear about my payment status. Okay, I think the audio has now no noise. The mouse clicking sound also removed, and there was a background noise of shh also removed. Now it is cleaned and it is ready to use any kind of videos. Now how can you take the this audio as output? Okay, for this click on file. Okay, then export. You name this file output and click on save. Now it's saved, and you can also save the raw file of this track. Just click on save or save as. Okay, so this is how you can remove any noise from a audio track which have a noise. Okay, but there is a point. If your audio has too much noise, then when you going to remove the complete noise of the audio, then the audio quality will be lower. So you should keep it mind when you record a voice. Your room where you record the voice should be noise free. Okay, and use a good microphone, condenser microphone, to record the voice. So that's all for today. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to get such kind of tutorial video, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.